Today, we will master the complete balance sheet format for Class 12 examinations.
We will cover all major heads and subheads exactly as asked in board examinations.
Remember one golden rule.
Left side shows equity and liabilities.
Right side shows assets. First major head, Dunchate, Shareholders Funds.
First subhead is Share Capital.
Share capital includes equity share capital and preference share capital.
Second subhead, neatly it. Reserves and surplus.
It includes general reserve, securities premium, and surplus in statement of profit and loss.
Third subhead is money received against share warrants, which means funds received against a financial instrument.
Next head is share application money pending allotment, which includes advance funds received from the public.
Now, third major head is non-current liabilities, which means long-term financial obligations.
First subhead is long-term borrowings, includes financial obligations with a repayment period exceeding 12 months.
Examples include debentures, bonds and long-term loans, public deposits and fixed deposits accepted by the company.
Second subhead is deferred tax liabilities. It arises when the income tax payable in the future is higher than what is currently due.
Third subhead is other long-term liabilities, includes financial obligations with a maturity period of more than 12 months.
Fourth subhead is long-term provisions, liabilities set aside to cover uncertain future expenses or obligations exceeding 12 months.
Next major head is current liabilities. These are obligations due for settlement within 12 months or the operating cycle.
First subhead is short-term borrowings, includes loans repayable on demand, bank overdrafts, and cash credit.
Second subhead is trade payables, the total amount a business owes for goods or services purchased on credit.
Trade payables include sundry creditors and bills payables, which means a written, legally binding promises to pay.
Third subhead is other current liabilities, includes calls in advance, unclaimed dividend, statutory dues payable.
Also include outstanding expenses, unearned income, provident fund payable, application money received for allotment of securities due for refund.
Fourth subhead is short-term provisions, liabilities of an uncertain amount that are expected to be settled within 12 months.
Now let us move to the asset side. In assets are valuable resources owned or controlled by a business that hold monetary value.
First major head on asset side is non-current assets, means long-term assets held for continuous use in the business.
First subhead is fixed assets. It means assets held for business operations rather than for resale.
Fixed assets include tangible assets and intangible assets.
Second subhead is non-current investments, means a long-term financial asset held for more than 12 months to generate income.
Third subhead is deferred tax assets, means when a company pays more income tax in the present than is required based on its accounting profit.
Fourth subhead is long-term loans and advances. It represents money the company has given to other parties.
Fifth subhead is other non-current assets. It includes unamortized expenses/losses, premium on redemption of debentures. Now we move to current assets. Assets expected to be realized, sold, or consumed within 12 months. First subhead is current investments, financial asset that a company intends to hold and convert into cash within 12 months.
Second subhead is inventories. It represents the stock of goods held by a business for sale, production, or consumption.
Third subhead is trade receivables, represent amounts due from customers for goods sold or services rendered.
Trade receivables include debtors and bills receivable, It also represents total credit sales of the business.
Fourth subhead is cash and cash equivalents. It includes physical currency, demand bank deposits, and cash in hand.
It also includes cash at bank, cheques, and short-term investment whose maturity period is 3 months or less.
Fifth subhead is short-term loans and advances. Include any funds lent or advances made to parties that are recoverable within 12 months.
Last subhead is other current assets. It includes prepaid expenses, advance tax, accrued income, unamortized expenses.
Now let us quickly revise the complete balance sheet structure. Here is the complete balance sheet format with all important heads.
Revise this structure daily for perfect board exam preparation.
For more amazing videos, visit our YouTube channel.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.